Hi everyone, good evening. Today we're going to talk about staying focused when everything goes wrong. Did you have a bad day, everything goes wrong? Or that week or that month? Or your life just came upside down? That's what we're going to be talking about today. About how you keep your mind strong even if everything goes wrong. So my first question for you is, do you have a system to regain control, clarity, or momentum? Do you have that system? If you do, you're doing great. If not, come with us, we're going to show you what to do. What system do you have? What do you do in the case everything goes wrong? Do you have a clarity? That's important. When you get a situation when everything goes wrong, you need two things basically. You need clarity. You need to see it clear, everything clear. So that way we will help you define the priorities. And also, you need to focus. You need to concentrate what the most important you need to get done first. We're going to see everything. And then you're going to learn how to navigate it when everything goes wrong. It's common. Everybody have those days. But you, over here with us, going to learn how to get off this. Okay, the first thing, control what you can. So you need to understand when you get a situation like that, when everything is out of control, you need to separate. Everything is out of your control. It's nothing you can do about it. That's your answer. Nothing you can do about it. Just ignore. Also, you can ask, what you can control? What can you do something? What can you do different? So this, you act. You can get those you can control and you can act on those. If you depend at a third-party contact, delegate, follow up, move forward. Keep your things moving. Prioritize what's going to give you the most value. For example, so if you focus when everything goes wrong, you need to prioritize something. If you have a lot of things to do it, you stop. Give it a 2-step back. Look at it, what you need to get done first. So, like I use management method system where I work on 3 items or 3 projects per time. For example, this week I can work in 3 main tasks or main projects. That way will help me prioritize what I have to do. That way you can keep it focused, you can prioritize, and also give you clarity what you have to do it. So if you want the form we use, put it down here, I want, and we will send for you. So that way we will help you to keep on the control everything. Also, you need to understand something. Lower the standard. Now it's not time to get worried with everything. Remember, this happens with everybody, even the most celebrated people. Some days they have chaotic days. That can happen with anyone. You, myself, anyone. Just remember, lower the standard. If it's got done, perfect. If it's messy, or you have a small progress, It's still progress. That's good. One step forward is still a progress. So you can keep it moving. So as long you give one step forward every single day, that shows you are on the right direction. Every single time, any task you do, any minute you work on it, or every hour, or everything you do, if it gets closer to your goal, you are having progress. So keep going, you are on the right direction. Don't overthink. Oh my gosh, what am I going to do if I can do this or I cannot? Take your time. Do what you have to do, and you're going to reach your goal. I guarantee for you. Don't try to do all at the same time. Like I said, just choose 3 projects or even 1 project. If you have 1 project, work just on 1 project. If you have 3, work on 3 projects. But focus, put all your energy, everything you have on those 1 project or 3 projects, however it is. Just focus, and you're going to get close to what you want to get done. Be focused, build, and dominate. That's how you do it. If you do it that way, definitely you're going to reach your goal. Also, it's very important, your body, your health. It's so important as well. Sometimes we need to reset our mind, our body, so you can get a breath technician. You get the air in for 4 seconds. You can hold it for 4 seconds, and you can breathe out for 6 seconds. You can work that way for 4 seconds, and they're going to help you calming, get yourself together. It's so important. Or take a short walk. Listen to a calm music. Walk on the beach, park, or go out for stress relief. Take a time for yourself. When you're working, when you're doing something, do your best. Put your 100%. But when you're out, you're out. Get the time to recover yourself. Because you're doing that way, you're going to reach what you're looking for. So you don't need everything to go right. You just need to show up. When you show up, that's 50% done. When you show yourself, no, I'm here, I'll get this done. When you show up, even if it's not everything going right, if everything goes wrong, when you show up, that's a 50% accomplished. I believe in you. Do you believe in yourself? That's important. Put it here. If you need help, we'll be more than happy to help you with everything you need to or looking for. We can help you put yourself together and reach your goals. You just need to keep it moving forward. Like I said, one step after other. One step at a time. And that way, the victory is yours. Hope you like. Contact us if you like to know more about it, project over here, and we'll be very happy to help you to succeed in your area. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful night.